Hello, in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to download a YouTube video and then convert it to XML or extract the sound to an MP3 file. First we need to start with to download the YouTube video. All programs you need to have I will post a link in the description dialog to the right. First, fire up your web browser and find a video you want to download. Whoops, wrong key. Here I choose the Transformers More on Links to I. I will use Orbit Downloader to download the YouTube video. Depending on which tool you are using, the steps are varying, so I will just go through this pretty quickly. If you are using Orbit Downloader, press anywhere on the screen in the web browser where it is empty, not on the video by itself, and choose Grab a Video by Orbit. Choose your download location and press OK. When download is complete, you will get a notification in the lower right corner of the screen saying download completed, and I just got that one and I gonna drag it into the recording area. So next thing we need to do is to convert it from an FLV file to an AVI file. I'm going to use a Pasera Free FLV to AVI Converter 1.2. Looks like this. I'm gonna press File, or excuse me, Add Files. Choose the FLV file and press Open, and then will get added. Then choose my output directory, already set, and then press Convert. This will take a little while, so I will pause the recording until it is completed. And now the conversion is done. So I'm closing that window and close the program itself. And here we have the AVI file. The next thing we need to do is to extract the sound from it. To do this, I'm going to use VirtualDub. It is a free program that is able to do this pretty easy. So I go to File, open a video file, and then choose the AVI, the correct file. Transformers means an AVI. Open. Press OK on that ball warning. Then go to File, Save WAV, and press Save. This is gonna take a few seconds only, pretty fast. Now we can close VirtualDub, and here we have the web file. And last but not least, I'm gonna use Audacity to convert the WAV files into MP3. So I'm gonna, in Audacity, I'm gonna press File, Open, then I'm gonna change the file format so to all support file scale, a little bit fewer files. Then I'm gonna choose transformer is more than meets than I, VAV, open. Then let it import the file. Press OK on that one. And then choose File, Export, MP3 files. And just hit Save. And on this one just hit OK. And then you should let this run in its course. And it is done. You can close Audacity. And here we have the final MP3 file. I'm currently opening the file. Here we go. And as you can see, we only have the sound. Transformers! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a nice day.